What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chris Cage coming at you 2 times, and we have a feature presentation for y'all. We are on the Super 6 lane again, and this time we made a bit of a change because we're doing Monster Truck Challenge. Why is there no finish line here? Well, if you've seen my last Monster Truck Challenge, I was using a different type of risers to rise the finish line, to raise the finish line, and, well, I said, and I quote, that I needed to order something to make it look a little bit more presentable or something like that. So I ordered risers, and here's how the finish line looks. Way more clean and way more spunky this time. So what we're going to do is our Monster Truck Challenge. We're racing 104 of 105 monster trucks because we already have one winner so far. I will link the description, or I'll put a link in the description to the previous Monster Truck Challenge video. And yeah, so if you want to catch up, you can go check that one out before watching this one. And with all of that out the way, it's time to begin the second edition of Monster Truck Challenge as we begin with our first round of this race. Alright, time for round number 1. We got the finish line in place. Time to turn it on and begin the challenge.
Hot Wheels Racers, hit your lane!
We are racing them in 3s this time instead of 2. So, with that in mind, it's time for your first race.
Winner, lane 5.
If any monster truck triggers both lane 5 or 6, then it's the third one. If it's 3 and 4, it's the second one. If it's 1 and 2, it's this one. So your winner is Hall, y'all. Here's your next 3.
Winner, lane 5.
Back in the third spot right there, it goes to Chewbacca. And no, I'm not going to do that sound. All right, next 3.
Winner, lane 3.
And it goes to the Red Hulk. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
And your winner right now is, I believe it is V8 Bomber with the M&M Kamikaze decals on it. All right, next matchup. That was a great race.
Winner, lane 1.
It goes to that Charger. Here is your next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
I think it's that shark. This little shark thing. I think it's Shark Reek gets the win. All right, guys. Here's your next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Winner is Abysmal, and I believe it's the snow version. Here are your next 3.
Winner, lane 3.
It goes Mr. Krabs, and he likes money. God damn it, Mr. Krabs! Look at you winning and pocketing all that money. Here we go. Next matchup. Who is the big truck in this yellow? Was he SpongeBob SquarePants? It is the car in the first lane got the win. SpongeBob SquarePants. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
5 Alarm with the New World Order decals on it. It's not really New World Order written on it, but it's black and white. like the official tag team or stable or whatnot. Here we go. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Goes to the V8 Bomber with those M&M kamikaze decals on it. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Winner is Sriracha. Here we go. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
This guy like me has something in common. A wild streak. Well, even though my streak is not wild, but I do have a streak in endurance racing games, as I never lost in 14 years since I started them. All right, guys, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
It's a smash squatch. Please check the watch. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Winner is Roger Dodger with all that sick stuff. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
This is a monster truck that nobody is talking about, even though you can obviously tell who this is. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Invader is the win. Here's your next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Rabudoo! Your Cena got buried, but your winner is another one of those 5 alarms. And here we are with our next matchup.
Winner, lane
That could have gone to anybody, but it went to a Roger Dodger. All right, guys, next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
It goes to Steer Clear. All right, guys, next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
I think it goes to Zombie Rex. All right, guys, next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
The Hound Hauler. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
Hotweiler with the sick stuff. Here we go, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Hulk win. Here's your next 3, ready to race.
Winner, lane 1.
Should be no surprise there as the Bone Shaker crosses the line first. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
Another one of these Mega Rexes gets the win. Here we go, next matchup.
Winner, lane 4.
Goes to the Camouflage Pure Muscle. All right, guys, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Hot Wheels Delivery. All right, guys, next matchup.
Winner, lane 4.
Winner is the Bone Shaker camouflage version. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Bone Shaker, the snowy version. All right, next three.
Winner, lane 1.
Again, another bone shaker gets the win. All right, next three.
Winner, lane 1.
The Coronavirus Mobile, or as I call it, Potty Central. All right, guys, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Wow, rest in peace to Undertaker really quickly there. It goes to Pure Muscle. Second to the last matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Looks like Police is going to get the win. And here we have our final two here. Time to see who will move on to the next round.
Winner, lane 1.
The Darth Vader monster truck just took off running. So, with that in mind, here are all the monster trucks moving on to the next round. It's a big bunch right there. And with all of these winning round one, and now it's time for all these to go into round two to see who will survive, as that next round will be coming up next. All right, time for round number two to begin. Here's your first matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
The Chewbacca gets the win. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
It was a race to the finish. Winner is V8 Bomber. Here we go. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Hound Hauler. All right, next matchup. And by the way, that is not a treasure hunt. It's just a regular vehicle.
Winner, lane 1.
From one V8 Bomber to another, we got two that are getting a win. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
Darth Vader made the comeback of his life and got the win. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Winner is the camouflage version of Bone Shaker. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Pure Muscle, the camouflage version. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
The Hot Wheels delivery gets the win. Next three.
Winner, lane 1.
Well, the Bone Shaker got showed up real bad, and another Abysmal gets the win. We already have an Abysmal that won in the last challenge, so could we have a snowy one win in this one? All right, next three.
Winner, lane 3.
The Red Hulk gets the win. Here we go. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
All right, this monster truck has gotten a win. We are down to our final matchup. It's time to see who will move on to round number 3. That was a damn good race.
Lane
But the
5.
winner is the Charger. And here he is, alongside the 11 other monster trucks that are moving on. So far, none of these have actually been a winner of the Monster Truck Challenge at all, I think. Which, it's going to be very interesting once we do these again. So yes, big shout out to all 12 of these monster trucks that have won. And it's time for the third round to begin. Up next. Time to begin the third round. And here we have 3, count them, 1, 2, 3 castings. Monster truck castings that are going to try to see if they can beat one another. Let's go.
Winner, lane 1.
Abysmal got it. Alright guys, next 3.
Winner, lane 3.
V8 Bomber with M&M Kamikaze decals on it. Alright, second to the last matchup. Here's your next 3.
Winner, lane 3.
It will go to the Red Hulk. And here's your final 4. It's time to see which one of these 4, or final 3 I meant, which one of these 3 are going to move on to the next round.
Winner, lane 1.
The Camouflage Bone Shaker is going to get it. So here are your 4 monster trucks that are moving on to the finals. Got a couple of reds, a blue, and a bomber. And with that round 3 a round out of the way, the finals are going to be coming up next. All right, finals. Here is your first matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
It goes to Red Hulk. Now we're going to see who will take on Red Hulk in the gauntlet race. All right, will it be another Abysmal or a V8 Bomber that will face off against Red Hulk?
Winner, lane 1.
We could be having a Monster Truck Challenge first, where the original and a different version of a Monster Truck might win back-to-back Monster Truck Challengers. But it all depends on this race, and it is between the Red Hulk and Abysmal. And it's time now to start the gauntlet race. Alright guys, here we go. Red Hulk versus Abysmal in this breeze look. You already know the gauntlet rules. It's time now to begin the race. And the Red Hulk will get it. If he wins again, then he is your Monster Truck Challenge winner. If Red Hulk wins again, that means that he is the Monster Truck Challenge winner. If not, we're forced into a split.
Winner, lane 1.
We are forced into a split. Now we bring them close together. It's time to see who will win it.
Winner, lane 2.
The Red Hulk. It's up to Abysmal in order to force this in to a second split.
Winner, lane 5.
Well, looks like we're not going to have that back-to-back a winner, because for the first time ever we got a Marvel character monster truck moving on or winning the second edition of the Monster Truck Challenge. Yes, Red Hulk is your winner. Big shout out to the Red Hulk vehicle. And, yeah. Congratulations to him. And that will do it for today's Monster Truck Challenge. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you are brand new watching this, be sure you subscribe. And also, turn on the notifications bell as well. It's your boy, Chris Cage. And I'm coming at you 2 times. And we will see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.